This cat is called sum of minimums. What do we have to do here? Well, we have to create this function that takes a nested list. And what we have to do is to take the minimum from each sublist, sum it up, and return that. How to go about that? Well, first of all, let's iterate through the sublist. So for sublist in numbers, print the sublist. There we have them. And what we have to do here is to use the minimum function. And it takes the variable sublist as an argument. And what it will return is the minimum of each sublist. As you can see, the minimum here is 2, here it is 3, and here it is 4. And yeah, what we have to do here is to basically sum it up and return it. How can we sum it up? Well, we can create a new variable. That's called result. It's equal to 0. And every iteration, we should add this minimum up to the result. So result is equal to result plus the minimum of each sublist. Or shorthanded plus equals. Let's print the result to see what's happening every iteration. So the first iteration, we have 2, then we have 5, and then we have 9. And that's exactly the result that we have to return. So let's return it outside the loop. And that should do the trick. Attempt. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.